Hey guys, it's your dude Keon. So today meron tayong bagong product from Samsung. It's the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, top of the line wireless earbuds from Samsung. And we're gonna open this today. And ito yung sides. And made from very paper matte like material. And may mga stickers dito. It's sealed. So we're gonna unbox this for you guys. And don't forget guys to subscribe para maka-reach naman tayo ng 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to share this to your friends na balak mag-buy ng earbuds from Samsung. So, I'm very excited. Let's open this up. And so, yung current price niya is around 14,990. And binili ko siya on a installment. So, para makatipid naman ako sa monthly payment. Zero interest. So, around mga 1,000 plus yung mga bayad ko dito every month. And, yeah, well worth it. So, let's open this up. Tanggalin na natin yung seal. So, yung kailangan mo lang gawin dito, guys, is to just pull this one and pull this one. May mga directional arrows where you can unzip it. And, yeah, open na natin to. And boom. Yun. Ang ganda. So, yung pinili kong color ay silver or space gray color. And right off the bat, ito yung makikita nyo. And yung instruction booklet ay nasa likod ng package. So, this is what we got. And tignan natin yung laman. So, what do you get here? Oh, meron tayong charging cable. Type-C to Type-C cable siya. Very interesting. Meron tayo nito. Yung mga different sizes of ear tips for the earbuds. Nandito. I guess small and large yung meron dito. Not sure kung anong size na nilagay sa current earbuds. Pero ito yung mga available sizes. So, ito yung quick start guide nandito with the warranty card, which is also nice to have. Warranty card. May mga papeles, which I usually don't need. Kasi usually mga binibili kong products, 100% of the time walang nangyayaring issues. So, ito yung instruction booklet, I guess. Different languages. Ito yung mga parts kung interesado kayo dyan. So, this is it. Ito yung earbuds Pro 3. Ito yung top of the line. Ito yung Pro version. So, yun. Parang siya talagang copycat ng AirPods Pro ng Apple. So, we got this one. Very different design siya from the Galaxy Buds Pro 1 and 2. So, meron siyang mga LED lights. Very nice. I guess yung size nito ay medium para sa earbuds. And, yeah, pretty cool. So, suotin natin sa ears ko sandali. Ayun, so ito yung Galaxy Earbuds Pro 3. And it's pretty nice. And meron ako in comparison yung kalaban niya, yung Apple AirPods Pro 2. So ito yung magkalaban ngayon. And size comparison, mas malaki ng konti or mas matangkad ng konti yung sa Galaxy Buds Pro 3. And here's what it looks like. Parang ang carbon copy ng Apple AirPods Pro. Ginaya na nila yung design. Except of course, may LED lights doon sa Samsung AirPods Pro 3. And I have yet to try this. So, tignan natin. Ooh. So, pagkasuot ko nito, biglang gumana na yung noise cancelling. And, ayun, parang ang ganda din ng noise cancelling feature niya. Parang naka-open na yung electric fan, yung aircon, then parang konting wind na lang yung narinig ko. So, i-compare natin yun sa noise cancelling ng Apple AirPods. Ano yung mas maganda? And in comparison, parang parehas sila ng features. Parehas sila ng purpose. But I think, mas lamang pa rin ang AirPods pagdating sa noise cancellation features. Ayun, parang pag siguro kung makikinig ako ng music, ito yung gagamitin kong feature. Pero, depende na lang sa phone na hawak ko, guys. So, since dalawa na yung meron kong wireless earbuds. One for Samsung and one for Apple. So, yung Bluetooth button niya nandito sa ilalim, if you didn't see it. And Type-C, of course, yung charging niya. I'm not sure kung may wireless charging to, but I would assume na meron. Since yung competitor nila na Apple, may wireless charging feature. And what else? It's a good product. And design-wise, talagang mas exciting tignan tong Samsung AirBuds Pro. And yeah, it's very nice to have options. And yeah, I'm gonna be enjoying this one for a bit. And yun lang naman yung unboxing natin today. If you haven't already, guys, please like and share this video. Comment down below what other products you want me to unbox next. And as always, guys, subscribe to my channel, Kian PH Gaming, for more unboxing content. And maybe gawa na din ako ng gaming content soon. But anyways, guys, yun lang naman. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!